Good morning, everyone. Today we are making a classic with a twist. My special strawberries and cream recipe served in an elegant glass. Back in my college days, there was a vendor right outside the entrance who sold the most amazing strawberries and cream. Remembering those sweet moments, I decided to recreate it for you today, adding fresh peaches and a rich chocolate drizzle. It's an incredibly easy, quick, and delicious dessert. Let's get started. For this delicious dessert, we will need 500 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's suitable for making whipped cream or chantilly. Next, grab 300 grams of fresh strawberries, and the same amount, 300 grams of canned peaches in syrup. We will also use 100 grams of sugar. Powdered sugar is highly recommended for a smoother texture. And finally, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. This dessert recipe serves approximately 3 or 4 people. Switching over to our Bistro cam so you can see this clearly. Now let's prep the strawberries. The vendor from my college days used to cut them in half. Today I'm slicing them into quarters, but you can chop them however you prefer. There's really no wrong way to do this. Just make them bite-sized. Now we're doing the exact same thing with our peaches. Mine came with the pits still inside, so they require a tiny bit of extra work. If you can find them pre-pitted, even better. Either way, just enjoy the process and have fun with it. Here is the first pro tip of the video. Let's say you couldn't find powdered sugar, or maybe it was just too expensive. No worries, you can easily make your own at home and save some money by grinding regular sugar. I'm using a small electric grinder today, but a standard blender or even a mortar and pestle will do the trick. Just blend it until it's super fine, and you are good to go. Just a quick safety tip. Cover your mouth with a cloth or mask when opening the lid to avoid breathing in that super fine sugar dust, or simply wait a minute for it to settle. Easy and safe. Once our powdered sugar is ready, we need to sift it through a strainer to separate any coarse grains that didn't blend completely. If we skip this step, those gritty grains will end up in our whipped cream, and we definitely don't want that. We are aiming for a perfectly smooth and velvety texture. Time for our second pro tip. When combining the ingredients, add 2 tablespoons of full cream powdered milk. This acts as a stabilizer to give our whipped cream the perfect firmness. Also, as you can see on screen, it is crucial that your mixing bowl, your balloon whisk attachment, I'm using the one for my Oster hand blender, and especially the heavy cream, are ice cold. Your cream should be refrigerated for at least 24 hours. Remember, cold temperatures are your best friend here. Now, how do we know our whipped cream has reached the perfect stiff peaks? Simply scoop a little bit with a spatula or a spoon, flip it completely upside down, and if the cream doesn't fall or even budge, it's absolutely perfect. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. First, quick apology for the background. I'm still learning and improving my setup. For this presentation, I also chilled my wine glass. If you don't have one, any cold bowl works great. We'll build beautiful layers. Peaches first around the edges and center, then a layer of cream, followed by our vibrant strawberries and more cream. Repeat until you reach the top. Once you reach the top, add a generous swirl of cream, crown it with a fresh strawberry, and drizzle plenty of chocolate syrup. Pro tip: you can also use your leftover peach syrup instead of chocolate. Now, let's see the final result. And here is our beautiful dessert. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this recipe, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out or what toppings you'd add. If you're craving something savory and easy to make next, click right here to check out my savory playlist. I know you'll love it. See you next time. Ciao.